let's have Lubao. Kakanya ka, Pam.
Oh, big Zumbaya kinkilupsakin!
Hey, what is up? My name is Jom and welcome to my channel where I create videos about careers, education, traveling, and a bunch of other things. You might want to click here to subscribe.
Nan, Pam, kaya exciting na naman yung game na yun.
Who's most likely to something?
Sige.
Game,
Kita mo ka
game.
yan.
Okay.
Game.
Guess most likely to...
Kiss a stranger.
Hindi.
Hindi ko answer you.
Hindi ako hindi.
Jomar?
Ako, Jomar.
Yeah, Jomar din.
Who's most likely to say sorry kapag ating mali? Ako.
Bilyari ka.
Okay. Pati ni Mama. No, sige. Go na.
Maman, go.
Oh, ikaw Mama.
Ikaw yung nasiguro misip ka. Nagba niyo ko.
To back out.
Back, ay. Yeah,
Ano
ako siguro.
to?
Back out.
Back out?
I-answer ko ya.
In. Ira. Mood swings. Ano po?
Oh, Maman, misip ka.
To do everything. Basta, hala. Ano ba?
Hindi answer you.
Kaya ako'y Maman.
Maman.
Everything.
Everything, yeah.
Only Maman can do. Everything. Nano pa Maman? Baka boring yata. Alam mo yung maka-excited.
Dapat kasi rin akong questions na level 3
Who's most likely? Who's
Yan.
mag-search ka?
Sige. Go.
Ikaw naman na.
Ayan pa pala yung song ng Sarah eh. Yan yung palinwal.
Birthday.
Ready na?
Game. Maman, madali ka na. Kaputa nga naman mo yan. Approve kay Miss Chongson.
Mag-intro ka pa, Maman.
Hi, what's up?
What will we play?
We're going to...
Anong pang
What's that?
album? Who's most likely to?
do it. To do something.
Who's most likely to become a CEO at the top of a company? Kayo nga doon.
Wala akong answer.
Dapat natin sagot.
Wow.
Number 2. Who's most likely to have most children?
Jomar.
Maman. Who's most likely to run a marathon?
Jomar!
Okay. Who's most likely to be late for her own wedding? Okay. Who's most likely to become a reality TV star?
Jomar! Hindi answer you.
Yako sa Ma'am. Ali Jomar. Who's most likely to win a Grammy? Nang Grammy?
Grammy Award.
Yun. Jomar.
Jomar.
Who's likely to call in sick at work but will be at the beach?
R.
Who's most likely to break a world record? Maman. Who's most likely to get most tattoos? R. I think R. Who's most likely to land on the New York Times bestsellers list?
Jomar!
Okay, Maman.
What is
Kayo nga
this?
duwa.
Ali, ikaw din. Sorry.
Maman. RR. Arman. Next. Who's most likely to become
Arman.
president? President of the
Oh,
Philippines.
Jomar.
Maman. Okay. Who's
Wala
most
na
likely to have in public?
Jomar!
Maman, sorry.
Forever, Jomar.
Okay. Who's most likely to become a social media influencer? Siyempre.
Jomar.
Jomar again. Fam na no? Tiga bang alawang sagot?
Pap, kasi puta mo.
Who's most likely to R. Okay. Who's most likely to meet their SO at the gym? Basta ito. Sige, Maman. Who's most likely to be on the red carpet one day? R.
Alang kaya, questions na makakaya. Level
Ano?
3.
Wapit.
Datang masyadong safe.
Datang attainable.
Oo, datang
Nano, funny? For friends.
for friends.
Sige. Ay, for friends. Yung ganun din.
Kasi, to win the Grammy.